Hello friends. Today's activity is a very simple and basic activity. It is a sensory play activity using rice. I'm not having any sensory bin containers, so I'm just using a utensil and some measuring cups. I'm using this white rice and I have also added some red beans into it. I am also using a white sheet over the floor so that I can easily collect the rice that will be out at the end of the activity. This is a very good activity to handle toddler tantrums. If you think that your kid is bored with all the toys that you have at home and you are not able to calm them down and they are getting very cranky, you can definitely try it out.
Number. This is dice.
Which cup is smaller? Which measuring cup is smaller? This is small? What is that? This is a spoon? This is 1 cup.
Yeah.
Okay, this is rice. And what is there in the rice? What is that brown colored thing in the rice? Sure, what is this?
What is this?
What? What is this? Sure, what is this? Is this a red bean?
Kana.
Hmm?
Kana.
This is khana. This is food.
Kana banana.
Hmm.
Kana.
You're making food by mixing it?
Oh.
Oh.
What is that called?
Hmm. You like eating cooked rice? What is this?
Kana.
Khana?
Kana banao de.
You're making food? What are you doing?
Roti.
Roti?
Ye roti hai.
This is roti? Okay.
Hero. That is
How do you make a roti? How do you make a roti? Sensory play allows the child to explore, imagine, create, and learn by engaging their senses. Here, instead of rice, you can use many other things for sensory play like sand, water, beans, beads, pasta, or colorful rice, salt, flour, etc.
I don't know.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next activity. Till then, bye bye and take care.